Shake it, baby, shake it baby. We're bringing you brand new shaker cards. Yes we are. We have got the Simply Hearts, and we have got that beautiful circle die in there as well. They are gorgeous. Now, not only do they make the shakers, they also make fantastic matte layers for your cards. So you can see here some of the different configurations that you can actually make out of that beautiful dot dice there. So looking at that there, this is your shaker window. You can see that is going to fit lovely just behind that die there. It could come and it could sit within that one as well. Loads of different ways. So that one there stays in your cardstock as well. But that gorgeous design that I'm thinking that is the masculine version. That one there's the female version. Yeah, this could be, it could have the little shaker card inside there. It could have a card in there. You've then got your beautiful love hearts, verso edge, so they're going to stay in the cardstock. You've got your little shaker elements that are going to go in there as well. Really, really pretty, gorgeous heart design, but don't forget, shake it baby with Tonic Studios.